Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be making flavored water, the herbal infused one that is very recommended for health and weight loss. Make the detox water. I've got my fresh water. Into this I'm adding my lemon slices, and the on-the-go one I also put in my lemon slices, my parsley leaves, my mint leaves, and my ginger pieces. I've got some ginger, and I've got some lemon zest, I would add a teaspoon of cider vinegar to my drink. You don't have to do this, this is optional. Give it a stir, and you can serve it chilled or with some ice. And for the on-the-go one, give it a stir and cover to sip through the day.